Hello everyone, welcome to Sure Learning. Looking for some fun ways to teach nouns in the class? Your search stops right here. Today we will be discussing some amazing strategies that will help you elevate your students' learning to a great extent in a fun way. They will be able to identify, categorize and differentiate nouns as evidence of learning. All of these strategies can be used in any grade level. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Scavenge nouns. This activity involves sticky notes. Meet students at the door and hand them a sticky note. Hand them more than one sticky note depending on the class strength. Ask them to write a noun that they see in the classroom and stick the note to that noun. You can be specific or general with the instructions. For example, 2 proper nouns, 2 common nouns, etc. You decide how you want to suit it with your class.
Classroom will be covered with nouns and you will love it. In my classroom, I often end up with Miss Ruby's sticky notes all over me. They like to label me because I am a noun.
Festive nouns. Divide the students into groups and ask them to brainstorm some nouns while you write person, place or thing on the board. Then ask them to make a list of Diwali or Dussehra or Christmas nouns using the 3 categories. They will come up with huge and creative lists. Sports nouns. Divide the students into teams of 3 to 4 students each. One student will be the recorder, but they will all brainstorm the answer. Then announce one sport at the beginning of each round. For example, basketball, and each team writes down every noun they can think of in 1 minute. At the end of 1 minute, see which team has the most nouns. Give extra points for collective nouns. Example, team, squad, crowd, etc. You can vary this game by choosing other sports as well. Longest list game. Make a chart for each group with 4 columns: person, place, animal or thing. Change to animals for younger ones because ideas or feelings will abstract nouns relevant for higher grades only. Give students a certain amount of time, then each group shares with the whole class.
Reward the team with the overall longest list or the team with the longest list with each type of noun. Reward can be free time, being first in line, sticker or anything else you can think of.
Spy nouns. Have each student take out a sheet of paper. Then tell them to write down every noun they see in the classroom. Give 1 point for common noun, 2 points for plural noun and 3 points for collective nouns. If a student finds a noun that no one else has written down, they get 5 points for that noun. Plural hot potato. Students sit or stand in a standard hot potato circle. Start some music or sing a simple song. Have them pass the ball or the potato around the circle. When the music stops, the teacher calls out a noun or a sentence. The student holding the ball then says or spells the plural version of the noun. For higher grades, you can tweak it to reading out a sentence and asking the student to identify and categorize the nouns. Have students identify examples of nouns in real sentences. Effective grammar instruction involves students making connection to real reading and writing. Once your students know what a noun is, have them practice finding examples of nouns in sentences.
Stay tuned to learn some more strategies to make your teaching fun and be #teaching goals. Till then, subscribe to us and stay ahead in profession. Happy teaching!